Hello guys, this is Mr. Video Dude, so now vlogs here back to you with another new vlog, and of course, happy Friday guys! The weekend is finally here, yep. And of course, yeah, hope everyone had a fun week. And of course, the main question to start the vlog with is, of course, what do you guys got planned for the weekend? Comment down below, yep. So of course, yeah, of course, today I never did much. I was at home pretty much all day where I just hang on, where I just cleaned up from the snowfall that we had. Yes, I only did a little bit of shelving, which was not too bad. And then pretty much they just relaxed and yep, pretty much the rest of the day. Then we just had supper. Then after we just I watched news also. Then after I just I went on a walk. We just got back from the Peterborough Duff Park. And back yep. I wanted to go to see if they had the Christmas lights on the, but of course not the studio, but I still managed to get some clips done that walk, yep. And of course yeah, and of course it's also really cold. Well, coldish, yep. It's our first cold day of the year, yep. Right now the temperatures are -6 degrees and high temperature is -4. So that's the first below freezing high this season, and last one was in late March of last year, yep. Oh yeah. So there, yep. So anyway, yeah. So of course that was fun, and then yeah. And I was just back in my room now, and of course I'll just get to work on the vlog as soon as I finish this clip, yep. Oh, and of course, yeah. And of course, what I'm gonna say, yep. And of course, yeah. And then after I finish working on YouTube yesterday evening, I just was relax, use my computer, yep. Oh yeah, and I was up till it was just at midnight last night, yep. And it'll probably be the same today, yep. But of course, yeah, and of course, yeah, but of course today I also would never have my usual caffeine till later. It was probably around 4:30 till I had my caffeine, which is not too savvy though. But of course I'll take it, yep. Oh yeah, yep. Oh yeah, but of course some days I have my caffeine my caffeine drinks with one or two shots of special during the what is it the late afternoon hours, yep. And even during the evening, yep. Especially later the evening, yep. But of course yeah. Because the usually one or two shots depend on what hour of the day is, yep. Oh yeah. It's very yeah. So of course I had 2 shots earlier, yep. Oh yeah. It's always good, yep. Oh yeah, but anyway yeah. It's always all but anyway yeah. So of course and as for the rest of the weekend, I say sometime tomorrow I might head over to the Amazon Mall again, to just look around again, and also do just a teeny tiny bit more Christmas shopping, yep. Oh yeah, yep. And of course yeah, reason is because well the reason is why I can't do more Christmas shopping is because my workplace is doing Secret Santa, and of course I got to pick already picked someone from the list of people in the name box, and of course I gotta get I gotta buy some for the person who I picked. Yep. Oh yeah. And I believe the limit of like gotta buy is $25. Yep. So I'll figure it out for. Yep. Oh yeah, but of course yeah. Yep. And then but and then of course I still commit to do this secret Santa thing though. Yep. 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 But of course I see it be on the when we're all looking. Yep. Oh yeah, but of course we'll see, because if you're not looking that day, then I'll probably give my dad to drop over wherever I buy. Yep. Yep. And I'll probably get what I got from if for whoever, or with some people secret Santa by the time I'm looking. Yep. Or I'll probably get it at home, but yep, I don't really know yet if someone already picked me for a secret Santa or not. Yep. Indeed, but of course yeah, but of course yeah, because we'll see what happens. But of course yeah, because speaking of that, when I'm filming this, we got 2 weeks of Christmas Eve. Can you believe it? 2 weeks. Oh yeah, I'm pretty pumped. But of course, by the time you see this, it'll already be 1 week to Christmas Eve. Yep. Yep, I'll be releasing this on December 17th, and I'll film this on December 10th. So 2 weeks from now, I'll be over at my cousin's house. Hopefully at the annual family events get together. Yep. Oh yeah. Yes, can't wait. Yep. I'll be I see I'll be spending my time with guys in my cousin's room, and of course in the shade. Yep. Oh yeah. I see we'll be in the shed. I see we'll be we'll be having a few drinks. But I won't be. But of course I see the boss be though. Yeah, and of course I be in the sober one. And I see I'll probably have a drink of water, or spread a 7-Up. Yep. Oh yeah, really see. Oh yeah. And of course, who knows, maybe, and I really hope to get on to Minecraft with the guys don't please also, and hopefully even have a Minecraft party in the shade too, because we'll see what happens. I doubt, but because I might just say that I doubt it, but of course you never know. But of course, if you don't get on to Minecraft in the shit, then I say we'll all get on during the break. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. I'll be getting on Minecraft and on my computer over at my house, and of course all the boys be get on Minecraft on theirs at their houses. Yep. Oh yeah. That'd be awesome. Yep. Oh yeah. Can't wait. Yep. Oh yeah, yep. But anyway, yeah. So that just be my impossible plan for Christmas Eve. And the Christmas Day, I don't even know if we're having Jake's dinner or who's having it this year. But of course I noticed that that they might be having it over here this year. Yep. But I don't know who be coming, and I don't know if my mom is having any Jake's dinner or not. Yep. Or turkey dinner. Yep. But of course we'll see what happens. Yep. Oh yeah. Yes, but of course we won't know till I say not this week without film this, but the following week. Yep. yeah, but I'll keep pushing, but of course, because I see those days I won't get any of my family on the camp, like my peers or whatever, but of course, I will get a shot of the the jeeps and with the turkey dinner and yep, and of course and of course stuff like that. Yep, and of course also and I'm really excited to be opening presents game. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. And hopefully I can what I asked for on the on the list also yep. It's of course and it can be to show you guys what I got on the Christmas day also. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep, and I'll definitely vlog me having fun with my new presents. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. But of course, yeah. Because Christmas is my most favorite time of year. Yep. Oh yeah. And of course, yeah. And during Christmas, I'll also be wearing one or two of my new Christmas shirts that I bought over at the dollar store in Mount Pearl. I think it was last week or 3 weeks ago now. Can't remember when it was now. One of those weeks. Yep. Oh yeah. But of course, yep. I've been wearing one of them. Yep. But during the Christmas. Yep. One or two of them I should say. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep, and of course, as for the weather, I'm really hoping for it to be to be a white Christmas this year. Yep, with snow on the ground, and of course, or snow, and of course, snow falling and temperatures below freezing, like they are now. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. Can't wait. Yes. I'm pretty pumped about it, guys. How about you guys? Are you guys pumped about Christmas yet? Comment down below. Yep. Oh yeah. And of course, what are you guys most excited for Christmas? Yep. Comment down below for that too, guys. Oh yeah. Yep. Anyway, yeah. So of course, I guess that's all I talk about. Yep. Yep, and of course, and then also at the end of the month in what is it 2 or 3 weeks or 4 weeks from now it'll be New Year's Eve, the last day of 2021, and of course and then before you know it. It'll be the new year. Yep, 2022. Yep. Oh yeah. And to see on New Year's Eve, I'll be up till at least after midnight. I'll be watching the countdown again, and of course, yeah. And then after I'll be just head out to bed, and then yeah. And then it'll be the usual business from there. Yep. Oh yeah. Indeed, yep. But of course, yeah. But of course, what is 2022 have in store? Well, I don't know. Because I'm hoping that they have in store is of course and cold and snowy winter. Then this past one, and of course and a nice spring, summer, and fall. Yep. And of course, by next summer, I mean with temperatures in the mid upper 20s to a low 30s with humidity values around 40 many days 20 summer. Yep. Yep. And lots of sunshine. Yep. And of course and of course 2022 is focused to be another busy hurricane season. Yep. Oh yeah, but of course we'll see what happens. Yep. because I really don't like hurricanes, and of course I know it's many of you guys don't either. Um, Especially to the south of Newfoundland, we guys get massive hurricanes like the hurricanes where category um 3, 4, 5. Yup, we said devastating, and of course I know there were a few of those devastating hurricanes during the past summer along the eastern USA that brought high winds and lots of flooding. Yep. Oh yeah, toward the US. Yep. And of course, yeah, because over here we had a Category 1 hurricane that was on the late of September 10th and the 11th. Yep. And of course, that brought us a period of very heavy rain and of course very high winds. We guys probably around 150. Yep. Oh yeah, and even higher in places to the south of British Sea Islands. Yep. Oh yeah, and of course that caused damage to parts of the Avalon. Yep. Oh yeah, indeed. Yep. But of course because that's what hurricanes usually do. Yep. Yes, but of course we'll see what happens in 2022. Hopefully we won't have any major hurricanes this coming year. Yep. Especially the one like we had, especially Lake Larry. Yep. Yep. But of course we'll see what happens. Yep. Oh yeah. But of course, yeah. But I'll definitely to flock toward the hurricane. Yep. Like if it's a slow moving hurricane, that I'll film it. Yep. Just to show you guys how hurricanes are like in Newfoundland. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep, indeed. Yep. But of course, yeah. It's but of course the last hurricane that we had on the Atlantic from South Africa. It was Hurricane Sam, which is really an ocean so blow is keeping a close eye on this hurricane. Yep. But of course throughout the course of the of the 2 weeks it was being forecast. It was on course to well I think it was originally forecast to affect Newfoundland, but then it ended up being an ocean storm. Yep. But then wait a second. I gotta sneeze. Woo! Oh my god. Yes. Yeah, but of course, yep, it ended up being an ocean storm. Yep. But it did give us some high winds which is installed on the Atlantic Ocean. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. But of course, yeah. But of course, as for 2022, we'll see. Yep. But of course, yep. Because if you had no hurricanes in 2022, that'd be awesome too. Yep. Well, here in Newfoundland at least. Yep. Oh yeah. Yeah, but of course, yeah, and during the summer of 2022, I really hoping to enjoy it more by doing a lot of biking and of course walking and of course suntan and of course relaxing too. Yep. But of course we'll see what happens. Yep. We'll see. Yep. But of course, yep. But it's only the December 10th yet. Yep. Yeah, but I'm really hoping that that 20 winter of this year we'll have ice on the ponds throughout Canada, especially in Newfoundland too. Yep. Oh yeah, but we'll see. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. And of course, yeah. Well, one other information to you guys before it is off the vlog is that is that the Treaty of Port Reef when on the Port Reef police on the northwest side now, place where across the bay from here. It's actually got the Christmas boat lights on the go, yep, and the crab pot lights, yep, and of course NTV News with the to celebrate it, yep, and of course I got to see it I got to get the preview of it they seemed on the news, but of course I was hoping to see it on my own within the next couple of weeks, yep. Yep, but of course, I'm hoping to see it with my cousin during the week of Christmas, yep. Sometime between the 19th to the 24th of December, yep. Yep, and of course, and see, it'll be an evening trip. We'll probably leave in the late afternoon, like probably around, I say 4:30 or so, and then or maybe closer to 5, and then we could probably around 5:30 or 6, or before that, and of course, then after that we'll just drive through, hopefully drive through the rest of congestion north went around, we will always have a great Carbonear, and hopefully stop to the mall if it's still open, and then of course booking back from there, going the Veterans Boy Harvey and back down to Twice Harvey, yep. And we'll go that way on the way to, except for going to Bay Roberts and have a great day, yep. Yes, but of course, we'll see. I won't know till at least next week, yeah, next Friday or so, yep. But of course, yeah, but by the time I release this vlog, I will know more, yep. But of course, yeah. Because for now, just stay tuned, blog, keep you posted next week or so, yep. Yep, and of course, next week's vlogs will be released the week of Christmas, yep. Oh yeah. Yep. So of course, yeah, with the vlogs being a week apart, the Christmas vlogs will be released between New Year's Eve and January 2nd, 2022, yep. And New Year's vlogs will be released on January 7th and 8th, yep. Oh yeah. Indeed, yep. So anyway, yeah. So guys, that's all the talking that I gotta do now, and of course, and this is of course the final vlog of the week too, yep. So guys, hope everyone had a fun weekend, of course, and hope everyone has a fun weekend, and of course, I'll see you guys on Monday, back at Mom's, yep, and I'll and hopefully throughout this week I will film more clips like I did throughout this week too, yep. I hope you enjoyed the beginning clips also, yep. Yep, I really enjoyed filming them, just put this in the perspective for my day, yep. Oh yeah, indeed, yep. Oh yes, and of course, yeah, because I also filming these, the temperature just popped up, yep, on my Apple, Google Chrome, Google Nest, it's actually seeing that it's minus 7 degrees, yep, as of 9:12 p.m. Oh yes, but of course, yeah, because on my on Barricade it is saying it is minus 6 degrees with the wind chill minus 15. Because I see the wind chill over here is probably the same or just a little bit cooler. Yep. Oh. Yeah, minus. Yeah. Yeah, so it's probably my minus 15 or 16 here, yeah. Yeah, I want to point it out at the end, but of course, yeah. There we go. Enough talking. I'll see you guys on Monday. So over and out.